Welcome to our video on the top 5 best blenders for 2025. A blender is a mighty countertop appliance that will blend your favorite smoothie or crush ice for slushies. But these kitchen staples offer versatility, like whipping up lump-free blender, pancakes, a batched watermelon margarita, or homemade oat milk, in a matter of minutes. Choosing the right product among many can be overwhelming. Don't worry. We've done the hard work for you, selecting top picks based on excellent reviews and genuine customer feedback. Discover the best options and check the descriptions for links. Let's dive in. Number 5. Vitamix Ascent X4. No blender is exactly quiet, but the roar of some super loud models makes them much less appealing. The Vitamix Ascent X4 is a newer blender from the brand, and while it's often more expensive than the Vitamix A3500, it's noticeably quieter. This blender comes with a 48 oz jar instead of a 64 oz jar and performs particularly well for recipes like nut butter or hummus. While it doesn't blend smoothies and soups as fast as the A3500, it makes smooth blends with small and big batches of fibrous ingredients. It also easily makes snow-like ice with a smaller batch of about 6 ice cubes. Its controls include 6 automatic blending programs and a plus 115-second button. This new lineup of Ascent X blenders also features a tamper holder, which you can fix on the side of the motor base or remove if you're not using it. The jar is dishwasher safe and quite easy to clean by hand. It also shares the A3500's fantastic build quality with a stainless steel shell, although unlike that model, it lacks cord storage. It's worth noting that the quietest full-size blender we've tested is the Vitamix Ascent X5. This blender offers a few more features over the Ascent X4, like a greater number of blending programs, but it performs essentially identically. It's also the most expensive Vitamix by far, and for most people, the extra cost won't be worth the noise difference. However, if you're prepared to shell out nearly $1,000 for a blender, it's quieter. If you're looking for a quieter blender in a different price range, check out our full list of the best quiet blenders. Number 4. Calphalon Active Sense. The best budget blender we've tested is the Calphalon Active Sense. As you might expect, this cheaper blender isn't as well built as the previous picks. Its jars feel sturdy, but it has some flimsy-feeling components, such as wiggly buttons on the motor base. However, it also comes with a personal jar in addition to its 64 oz main jar, which helps it perform well when blending small batches of ingredients for something like a single-serve smoothie, which can be an issue for some cheaper blenders that only come with a larger pitcher. There's a resealable lid included for the personal jar, so you can blend a smoothie or protein shake and bring it with you on the go. It smoothly blends fibrous ingredients in small or big batches, leaving behind just a few more unprocessed bits compared with previous picks. It's fantastic for ice crushing and does an okay job of processing recipes like nut butter or hummus, although it's a somewhat slow process. It can also process hot ingredients for recipes like soup or sauce. If you're looking for a budget-friendly blender, our list of the best budget blenders has more recommendations. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious. The best mid-range blender that we've tested is the Breville the Fresh and Furious. You'll notice some downsides in this price range versus higher-end options. This blender isn't as well built as the Vitamix. Explorian E3 on 10, especially the buttons on the motor base, which feel a bit flimsy. It has a 2-part lid for its 50 oz jar, but doesn't include a tamper, making stirring ingredients less convenient. That said, you don't have to compromise much where it matters most, as it has a fantastic performance for all kinds of recipes. While it blends fibrous ingredients slowly compared with previous picks, it makes an equally smooth blend with small and big batches of ingredients like kale, broccoli, and fruits. It's very easy to use for recipes like nut butter. It also makes snow-like crushed ice, although it works best if you stick with smaller batches of about 6 ice cubes. Unfortunately, though, it can't hot blend. If you want a mid-range blender for hot soups, you might prefer the Braun Triforce Power Pro JB9041BK. This very well-built blender can process hot ingredients in its main jar and comes with a personal jar for smoothies. It can crush more ice at once. It makes a less smooth blend with big batches of fibrous ingredients and is very loud. Otherwise, it's a good alternative. Number 2. Vitamix Explorian E310. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is a good option if you want something more affordable. It has a much simpler design, with no automatic blending programs or screen. However, its smaller 48OZ jar offers some advantages. It's just as good as the Vitamix A3500 for blending small batches of ingredients like single-serve smoothies. While it's a little slower at blending big batches, it still makes a nearly perfectly smooth puree with fibrous additions like fruit and leafy greens in big batches of soups or smoothies. It also makes snow-like crushed ice, and its smaller jar helps it process recipes like nut butter or hummus faster and without any stopping and scraping. However, it's noticeably louder than the A3500. Its lack of blending programs and a digital display means you have to monitor it and stop it yourself. That said, it still offers a wide range of speed settings and a fantastic build quality. Its jar and two-part lid are dishwasher safe and easy to clean by hand. Number 1. Vitamix A3500. The best blender that we've tested is the Vitamix A3500. This full-size blender can prepare basically any blend in its 64OZ jar. It produces fantastic results for most recipes and blends ingredients quickly and easily. It smoothly blends a personal smoothie or a big batch of soup in about a minute without any stirring or stopping. It's also very easy to use for ice crushing with its frozen drinks program. It makes smooth, spreadable nut butter, although you must stop and scrape the jar at least once. It's very sturdy and offers a wide range of speed settings and blending programs, including hot soups, which heats up ingredients as they blend. It's also decently quiet, which helps set it apart from some cheaper Vitamix models. It's easy to clean by hand, and its jar and lid are dishwasher safe. If you make a lot of nut butter, hummus, and other thicker recipes, you might prefer the Breville, the Super Q BBL 920. This high-end blender comes with a 68O's jar and makes nut butter without any need for scraping the jar with a spatula. It also includes a personal jar, so you don't have to spend any extra money for a convenient way to bring your smoothie on the go. It has a similar overall performance, although it doesn't crush ice or blend fibrous ingredients as efficiently as the Vitamix, and it has a set number of preset speed settings, so you can't make smaller adjustments. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed the content, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us. Additionally, feel free to leave a comment sharing your thoughts or feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell icon so you're alerted whenever we upload new content.